Well, speaking about adjusting, the next store that we're about to go to, this adjustment, people don't want this to be a new norm. We're talking about price gouging. The price of the goods in the market has gone up. The price of taxi fare for many people has also gone up. Let's go to this report then that we did with people in Santa Cruz at the Transportation Center and the Santa Cruz Market earlier today. We're in the heart of St. Elizabeth, the market here in Santa Cruz. We've been speaking to vendors on this overcast Thursday afternoon. They are already lamenting the scarcity in produce and the increase in cost.
It affects me a lot because farmers they have their liquor goods and when they come my market, they raise it on way.
Already?
Yes, they raise it on way already.
One way I feel pay more for?
More for carrot, more for yam, more for dasheen, and banana. They raise them.
And you in turn have to raise it for your customer.
Yeah.
How does it affect you?
Yeah, and it's bad because none of the people not buy. None of the people not buy.
Scallion way off in prices and everything because we couldn't get any. From Monday, for last we couldn't get none. We get some Monday morning, they were very, very fine. But we couldn't do no better because there's no other resort. And this tomato, a lot of them spoil off, but we have little, but we did pick them before the storm. We did buy them before the storm. Other than that, everything scarce, short, hard to get.
So have you to increase your price yet?
We have to increase it because if we get the increase, we have to increase it too.
Them about?
Yeah, some people crying, some just buy it and gone.
What them say? You want them about what them say?
Say too high.
I want to say to them.
We can't do nothing about it.
The Ghana supermarket look while I say where the discount, them say discount, that not there again, I spend actually $18,000 in there. So no, terrible. This is not bread basket no more.
These people behind me here in the Santa Cruz Transportation Center have been waiting up to 5 hours to get transportation. Few taxi operators are still working, and for the ones that are, the exorbitant prices, they say, is too much for them.
It's unfair because we're going through a whole lot of drama right now. Lose the house, you lose your roof, and to come out and try to get little food and water and to find out so your fare triple. Move from $350 to $1,000. Some places $2,500. The increase is just too much.
From Santa Cruz to Back River, you know, so they raise the fare.
Yeah, how much?
Yeah,
How much now?
500 them a charge. No for the taxi man them.
How much?
Because me travel. So, all right, from Black River you then charge 350 or 400. And now they must say 500. It's very expensive. No for the taxi man them me hear about the place then raise their fare. And gas don't raise. And it's not supposed to happen.
I have to pay $1,000 to come right down here, and I used to pay $500.
Why the taxi man them raise the fare for the people them right now after hurricane and people are struggling?
Yeah, everybody has struggled. We struggle to get some gas. Bamboo black up, it take one whole time to go through and something. So we take $1.50 we put for it.
You put 150 up on the fare.
Yeah.
Damn man fare how much?
$3.50.
So 500 they charge now?
Right. Then I'll go on the thing. I don't mean alone.
Everybody I do it?
I buy one little catch up bottle of gas, you know. I may pay $1,500 for it.
And normally much fare a bottle of gas like that?
Well, a bottle like that, 800 or 850 fully.
So everybody a price gouge all around?
Yeah, that's how it thinks. So I'm going to tell you the truth.
But you know, so the government said that's illegal. You can get tax feet.
Well, that's how you go, you know. That's how you go. Anything, boss, that's how you go. But we can't buy gas for extra money, and if we take $150 extra, then you understand?
Yeah.
That's all.
What would you say? You want to say anything right now to the authorities in terms of how taxi man are feet and why we not do them something and why them?
Well, as me say already, me tell you, say the road it take one long time in a traffic and the gas where we buy expensive, so we have to take one little extra.
Sometimes you see traffic, when you're up on the road, you're not going to make as much cheap as how you make. So I'm probably say if the fare normally $250, then we say 5 bills.